hope y'all are doing well on this fall day. We've had a really beautiful day here, and today's video, I'm going to be kind of combining a sort of like a decorating type of video and a cooking video together. And also today's video is sponsored by Home Chef. Now, as far as my decorating part, I don't know if I would want to call it decorating or not, but I was watching Ashlyn Carter's recent video of like her fall bouquet that she kind of foraged. It was free and it looked really beautiful, and it just like inspired me to want to go find some things on my own. She just created like a really beautiful bouquet centerpiece type of thing, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do that. So the boys and I went to just a local park area and we found some things, and I'm kind of excited about it, and I'm just gonna insert the clips of me putting them together. I actually got like 3 different bouquets out of it, so I'm pretty excited about that. I don't know how long they're gonna last, and I don't know what you guys will think of them. I just like switching things up in my house, and it was free, so that's always a win. And as far as the cooking part of it, I know you guys like cooking videos and everything, so I'm just gonna take you with me as I cook a Home Chef meal tonight. I just got it today, so if you don't know what Home Chef is, it is a meal delivery service that is delivered straight to your door. And I will have codes for you guys if you want to try it out. You can pretty much customize it to however you want. I think I ordered for just the 2 people. You can order for like 2 or 4 servings, I believe. And it's just really handy for me if I'm busy, and I know that I'm going to be using it in the future as well. Just with moving and everything, it's really handy. I know that I don't do it every week or anything, but it's really nice, and I've not been disappointed by their meals. So I love pretty much every one of them, and they're just really good. So thank you, Home Chef. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how my bouquets turned out, and then I will get started on dinner. So this is what the sheets look like. There's punch outs. You could put them in a binder and use them later. It says what's in the box, and on the back there's like pictures explaining all the directions. Everything is clearly labeled and everything, and it's just really easy. And then here is the shrimp. Looks really yummy. I'm not sure yet which one I'm gonna make. I have to see if my husband's gonna have time to eat. If he doesn't, I may make this one tonight, because I tend to like pasta a little better than he does. So I'm gonna have to see what he says. So the first meal is a shrimp de jong penne. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but pasta is always a comfort meal, so that one looked really good to me. I also ordered just the 2 servings since the boys are a little bit pickier. And then this one is the steak strip chimichangas. And way at the bottom of the box is like where the meat is. There's like an ice pack and everything. So I'm currently doing all the prep work and everything. Right now I am frying the bell peppers in the pan that I used for the steak. The rest of the stuff is all cut up and pretty much ready to assemble. They've got really big tortillas. These are like giant. And then I'll put them on this pan, put them in the oven for, I think they said 8 to 10 minutes. I have to like rub them with oil and stuff. And yeah, the steak, I tasted the steak. Tastes really good so far. I may have added more salt or pepper than what they recommended, but I'm just gonna add the steak back into the pan then, along with the enchilada sauce, and kind of give it a good stir, and then I'll put the tortillas together. All right, so far it's really good. I like it. I am excited to eat the whole thing. I'm really hungry. Nick is not home. He was gonna be, but something came up and he's helping someone right now. So I don't know when he's gonna get to eat his, which is sad for him, but yeah, anyways, it's really good. All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video today, and I hope it gave you guys some inspiration or some new cooking ideas. And make sure you go check out Home Chef if you're interested, and I will make sure to leave all the information down below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.